Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you test run of 6-side EPS Package Machine with 10 packages and packaging effect display. First, replace the appropriate inserts. Switch the machine to the appropriate recipe. And adjust the temperature. Next, begin packaging. In actual production, one machine is typically operated by one person. If packaging quantities are high, 2 machines can be used simultaneously to improve efficiency. In this demonstration, we use 2 machines to continuously package 10 products. Taking a total of 75 seconds. Finally, let's take a closer look at the packaging results. The cut surface is smooth, the seal is intact, and the adhesion is strong, fully meeting production requirements. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.